Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Ms. Huda and I teach Java programming. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an input file for reading. So we need to create an input file for this project. The project name is example files and I am right now in the project's perspective. So in NetBeans, we have three perspectives: the projects, the files, and the services. So I need to move from the project's perspective to the files perspective and find my project in that perspective. So some people, they don't have the files perspective open, so they have it closed like this. They only have the project's perspective. They can't find any file perspective. For these people, they need to do Windows, reset Windows, and this will bring again the three perspectives: the project's perspective, the files perspective, and the services perspective. So let's go to the files perspective and click on our project, which is called example files. In this directory, you will see your project as directories. In this directory, we need to click on the project itself, and we choose new, and then we go all the way down to other. We click on other and then we go to other, and then we choose empty file. When we choose empty file, you click next, and then here you give it a name: data.text, for example, data.txt, for example. Now you click finish and the file has been created. It is very important to know that the file exists directly under the project. It is not inside a subdirectory, source, or example file. If you find your file here, then you did something wrong. You need to grab it and move it under your project directly. So if you click here, the thing that is directly above it is the project name. Also, you should note that if you move back to the project, you cannot see it. You cannot see your file here. So even if you go down here, you cannot see your file. You will be able to see your file from the file's perspective only. Then you can put some data in it. For example, we can type something, programming with Java is fun, and Control S to save your file. So now we have something written in our files. If we go back to my program as I wrote in the previous video, will open data.txt file and put it inside a scanner and ask the scanner to give it word by word until the end of that file. Also, I have added printing these words as they are read. So read a word and print it. Notice that the name of the file data.txt is exactly the name here. It is case sensitive, so if you have capital, you should have capital. If you have small, you should have it small. So here all the letters are in small, and here all the letters are in small. And .txt. So the file name you are trying to open is identical to the file name in your system. Now if you click run, then the file will be open and the words will be read one by one and written to your output as indicated in this program. This concludes our video.